Hi everybody. Today's our topic is whole numbers. To count things, we need help of numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. These are the numbers. The set of such numbers are called natural numbers. Natural number set, it is denoted by n. So it is natural numbers. Natural numbers are denoted by n. They are 1, 2, 3, 4, dash. To count the things, we need to use some numbers. They are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on. These type of numbers, these numbers are called natural numbers. These are denoted by n. Okay, these numbers are also called counting numbers because these numbers can use for counting. Okay, so here 2 is a natural number. To add 1 to 2 will get 3. By adding 1 to 2 will get 3. Then we say that 3 is the successor of 2. 3 is the successor of 2. 3 is the successor of 2. 5 plus 1 equal to will get 6. 5 plus 1 equal to will get 6. Then we say that 6 is the successor of 5. We can write a successor to any natural number. Suppose by subtracting 1 to any natural number, suppose 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 will get 3. Then we say that 3 is the predecessor of 4. Okay, like this. Suppose 6 minus 1 equal to 5. Then we say that 5 is the predecessor of 6. The number just before is the predecessor. The subtracting 1 means just it is the before of 6 is called predecessor. A number which is after a number is called successor. This number is after a number. Then this number is successor of 2. 3 is the successor of 2. This is the successor and predecessor. You can write like this to any number 100. Successor of this number is 101. After the number. Predecessor of 100 is 99. Here in natural number, 1 is the least natural number. In natural number set, 1 is the least number, so which doesn't have predecessor. That means by subtracting 1, we will get 1 minus 1, 0. So 0 is not in natural numbers. Except this one, we can write predecessor to any natural number. We can write predecessor to any natural number but not 1. So we can write successor to any natural number. Successor of 1 is 2. Successor of 2 is 3. Like this we can write successor of 100 is 101. Successor of 9999 is 10,000. Like this we can write successor to any natural number. If you write predecessor, we will get the 0. If you include this 0, we will get the whole numbers. We will get whole numbers. Whole numbers. It is denoted by W. If you include this predecessor 0, predecessor to 1 is 0. If you include this 0 in natural numbers, we get the whole number set. It is denoted by W. 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. This is the whole number set. This is our chapter whole numbers. Whole numbers. Yes. So in this whole number set, 0 is the least whole number. 0 is the least whole number. What is the greatest whole number? We cannot say. So we can write infinite whole numbers. There is no greatest whole number. Here also 1 is the least natural number. There is no greatest whole number. Natural number also whole number. Okay. So this is whole number set. By observing these two sets, this is natural number set and this is the whole number set. By observing these two sets, in this we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Here we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Every number of natural numbers are in whole numbers. So here 1 is in whole number also. 2 is in natural number and also whole number. 3 is in natural number also whole number. 4, here also we have 4. Dash means we have 4, 5, 6 and so on. So every natural number lies in whole numbers. We can say that all natural numbers are whole numbers. Let us see reverse. So 0 is in whole number but not in natural numbers. So we can conclude that all whole numbers are not natural numbers. All natural numbers are whole numbers. But not all whole numbers are natural numbers. Representation of whole numbers on number line. Let us see. Let us take a number line. Draw a line. It is a line. It is a line. So mark a point at start, that is at left, last left. So mark as 0. So it is 0. Then put another marks with equal distance. Let us call 1. Then continue 2, 3, so and so on. Mark 0 at a point, that is starting point. So mark as many as points as you wish with equal distance. Should maintain equal distance. This is the representation of number line. By using this number line, let us see how can you add two numbers. We have 6 plus 3. So to get more videos as notifications, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. To add 6 plus 3, first to start from 6. Where is 6? This is the 6. Start from here. Then plus what we have? 3. Then jump 3 times. Jump 3 times. 1, 2 and 3. We jumped on 9. So we'll get 6 plus 3 equal to 9. Suppose 3 plus 10. 3 plus 10. What is the number? 3. Start from 3. Start from 3. How many jumps? We have to jump 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is 13. So we say that 3 plus 10 equal to 13. Start from 3. You have to jump 10 times. We reached up to 13. So we say that 3 plus 10 equal to 13. We are writing 3 plus 6. I am writing 3 plus 6. We started 3. Starting at 3. How many jumps? 6 jumps. Jumping 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We reached at 9. Therefore, 3 plus 6 equal to 9. In previous we got 6 plus 3 also 9. Now present 3 plus 6 also we got 9. That means if we have 6 plus 3, we can start at 6, then you have to jump 3 times, or by starting 3, you have to jump 6 times. In both cases, we will get the same. That means 6 plus 3 equal to 3 plus 6. Let us see another addition. Suppose 2 plus some 4. So we start from 2. We have to jump 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. We reached at 9. So that means 2 plus 4 equal to, we'll get 6. So to add any two numbers, we move on number line towards right side, starting from any of them. Starting from any of them. We can start from 2 or we can start from 4, but we have to move towards right side on the number line. This is the process to add two numbers on the number line. Okay, so let us see the subtraction on number line. Let us see the one subtraction. 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3. So in addition, we move on number line towards right side, but in subtraction, we move on number line towards left side, and we start from first number. We have to start from only first number, but in addition, we start from any one of number and we move right side. But in subtraction, we start from first number and move a number line towards left. Okay, so that is the process. So what is the first number? 6. Start from 6. Start from 6. Move towards left side. We move on towards left side. So how many jumps we have to do? 3 jumps. 1, 2, 3. We reached at 3. So 6 minus 3 equal to 3. Suppose we have 7 minus 4. 7 minus 4. What is the first number? 7. Start from 7. We move towards left. How many jumps we have to do? 4 jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we reached at 3. 7 minus 4 equal to 3. Suppose 9 minus some 5. 9 minus 5. We start from 9. Start from 9. Move towards left side. How many jumps? 5 jumps. 1, first jump. 2, 3, 4, 5. So we reached at 4. So 9 minus 5 equal to 4. Like this, we can do the subtraction on number line. Okay, see the difference? In addition, you can start from any one of number and we move towards the right side. We have to move towards right side. But in subtraction, we start from first number only and moves towards left side. This is the difference. Then representation of multiplication. Okay, suppose taking 4 into 3. Start from 0. Move 3 units to the right each time. Start from 0. Move 3 units each time. That means our jumping distance each time is 3 units. Each time our jumping distance is 3 units, making 4 such moves. Start from 0, take 3 units, move, take such moves 4 times. First jump 1, how many times? 4 times. 2, 3, again 3 units, 6, again 3 units, 1, 2, 3 units, again 3 units, 1, 2, 3, up to here, 3 units. We reached at 12. Then we say that 4 into 3 equal to 12. Listen once again. 4 into 3. Start from 0. Take move 3 units right side. Take such moves 4 times. You are jumping 3 units each time. You have to jump 4 times. You have to jump such jumps 4 times. Okay. Start from 0. Move 3 units to the right each time. Move 3 units to the right each time. Making 4 such moves. Making 4 such moves. Move 3 units each time. Move 3 units to the right. Move 3 units to the right each time. Okay. Listen once again. Start from 0. Start from 0. Move 3 units right side each time. Making such moves 4 times because we have 4 here. Let us see another one. Some 5 into 2. 5 into 2. Take to move 2 units right side each time. 2 units right side each time. How many these jumpings, the movings, such moves? 5 times. 1, again 2, 1, 2, again 2, 1, 2, again 2, 1, 2. How many jumps? 1, 2, 3, 4. Another 1, 2, 3. Like this, 4. We reached at 10. So 5 2s are 10. Like this. These are the exercise problems. Let us see. So first problem. 6 plus 7 plus 7. Start from any one of these numbers. So I am starting from first 6. Start from 6. This is the addition. We move towards right side. So starting from 6, moving towards right side. The first addition is 7 plus 7. Jump 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again we have the addition. Again plus 7. Again we have to jump 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let us take some more. 19, 20, 21 and so on. Okay. So how many times? 5, 6, 7. So we reached at 20. Therefore 6 plus 7 plus 7 equal to 20. Let us see the second one. 18 minus 9. This is subtraction. We start from 18 and move a number line towards left side. You have to start at 18. Moves towards left side. How many times? 9 times we have to move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We reached at 9. So this is 9. So 18 minus 9 is 9. Third one, multiplication. 5 into 3. So whatever the numbers, we start at 0. Okay, we move 3 units towards right side and make such 5 moves. Start at 0. So 1, 2, each time 3 units. 3, again 1, 2, 3. Again 3, 1, 2, 3. Again 1, 2, 3. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. One more. 1, 2, 3. We reached at 15. Therefore 5 3s are 15. We can take first 3 units move, make such 5 moves, or we can take 5 units moving, make 3 such movings. Okay, so whatever, this is the addition, subtraction, multiplication on number line. Okay, thank you. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.